Hi everyone, welcome to Nabla MPC online class. In this video, we are going to learn how to find the empirical formula of a compound, and I have a question on the board to solve. The question is, a sample of a poisonous compound extracted from cigarette smoke was found to contain C is equal to 74.0%, H is equal to 8.65%, and N is equal to 17.35%. What is the empirical formula of the poisonous compound? Given the atomic mass of C to be equal to 12.0, H is equal to 1.0, N is equal to 14.0. Note that C means carbon, H means hydrogen, N means nitrogen. To find the empirical formula of this poisonous compound, first of all, write down the symbols of the compound. So I'll have C, H, N, and underline it this way. Next thing is, take their percentage masses and divide by their individual atomic masses. So I'll say percentage mass divided by atomic mass. Percentage mass of carbon is 74.0. Then we divide it by its atomic mass, which is 12.0. Percentage mass of hydrogen is 8.65. Then divide by its atomic mass is 1.0. The nitrogen percentage mass is 17.35 divided by its atomic mass 14.0. Now, let me take my calculator and compute these values. 74.0 divided by 12.0. I'll get 6.17. So this is 6.17. You know, this divided by 1 is the same thing. So I'll have this one to be 8.65. And we'll take 17.35 divided by 14.0. Then I'll get 1.24. Now, after getting these values, we have to find something that we call relative amounts. So I will now find my relative amounts. And how do you find the relative amounts? You take these values and pick the smallest value among them and then divide it through by each of the values. So comparing 6.17, 8.65, and 1.24, you can see that 1.24 is the smallest value. So I'll take 6.17 and divide it by the smallest value, which is 1.24. Then this side, I'll take 8.65 and divide by the smallest value, which is 1.24. Then here, I'll take the 1.24 and divide it by 1.24. Now, 6.17 divided by 1.24. I'll get 4.98. 8.65 divided by 1.24. I'll get 6.98, and this divided by this is 1. We can say that running these values to their nearest whole numbers, 4.98 is approximately 5. 6.98 is approximately 7. And this one is still 1. Then I can now write down the empirical formula of the compound. And look at how you write the empirical formula of the compound. You take C and then write the value of C as a subscript. That is, it will be C5. Take hydrogen and write down the value of hydrogen as a subscript, which is 7. Then I'll write nitrogen and write down the value of nitrogen as a subscript, which is 1. But if it is 1, you don't write. But if it is more than 1, then you write it. 1, you leave it the way it is. But more than 1, you have to attach the value. And this C5H7N is the poisonous gas that they are asking us to find. And that is the empirical formula. B, they are saying that we should name the poisonous compound. So B, the name of this poisonous compound, C5H7N, is called nicotine. So have NiCOTINE, and that is the name of this compound, nicotine. Thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nabla MPC Online Class, for more videos. Bye bye.